following message is transmitted at the request of the Longmont Emergency Management. An unusual and dangerous situation is ongoing in the city of Longmont. Thunderstorm clouds over the city have gained a dark blue hue, and for an unknown reason the precipitation within the storm is a 40% water and 60% hydrogen sulfide solution. Reports of hydrogen sulfide poisoning have already been received. If you or a loved one is exposed to the contaminated rainfall and begin to experience headache, nausea, throat, or nose irritation or weakness, call your local emergency management immediately. Do not attempt to rush them to the hospital, as this runs the risk of you being poisoned as well. Remain in a building with all ventilation systems and exits such as doors and windows closed and sealed. Emergency management will continue to provide updates as the situation progresses. Stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation.